nothing I need right now. What's up? What's up? So this is the first build. Thank you for the rose. Thank you. Much love. Much love. Thank you for the rose. I appreciate it. Love gifts and likes and conversation and all that good stuff. Thank you so much. Thank you for more roses. Much love. Much love. Much love. I appreciate them so much. Alright. I guess I should start building. What are you saying? You think I should start building? Just start building? We're building the boombox. That is the next thing on my things to build today. The boombox. We're going to build this boombox. That's what we're doing today. We're building a boombox. This was stuff, again, this was given to me as a gift by Brickcraft. They sent me these as a gift. And I did not buy these. I am only building them because on live because I really thought that'd be just a kind gesture saying thank you, Brickcraft, for sending me a free gift. So, what do we have? We have bag number 2. I will not be trying. I will try to save your ears. We have bag number 1. We have an empty box. It's empty. We have stickers that go on. And we have instructions. How many instructions do we have today? We have 16 instructions. 16 steps on this one. 16 steps. Alright. I'll try not to kill your ears. So let's start with bag number 1 and empty bag number 1. Do not dump bag number 1 everywhere. Alright, bag number 1 is empty. Empty bag number 1. Alright, stickers need to go somewhere where I don't lose them. Put the big pieces over here, because they're going to be easier to grab at a distance. Bag number 2 we're going to dump. Okay, come on. I do not want to lose these pieces. I'm trying to delicately dump bag number 2. Delicately dump bag number 2. Bag number 2 looks to be empty now. Bag number 2 is empty. Let's continue. Alright. Handy dandy instructions. Step number 1. Actually, again, like I said before, I'm not counting to make sure every piece is here. I guess I'll find out as I build. We'll find out as I build if every piece is here. I just don't count pieces. So what do I need? I need a long, flat blue piece. One of these, like, I think it's this one, the 4-pack. Yeah, 4-pack. Need a 4-pack. Tall piece, green. Boom. And I need 2 flat green pieces. Boom. Boom. Step number 1 complete. Step number 2 tells me I need another. I need this piece, which it. Surprised I didn't go grab it first. I need 2 flat blue pieces. Apparently, go on top. Boom. Boom. We have progress. Progress. What do I need now? I don't know. Okay, I need a flat blue piece. This one, I think. Two small flat square pieces that go, I'm assuming, back corner. And another one of these flat square pieces. Thank you. I need some triangle pieces, it looks like. So, I'm assuming these are the triangle pieces? I don't really know what we're going to do with it. Maybe? They look like the pieces. So if I'm looking at it this way, I need 1, gonna be annoying. This has a lot of smaller pieces than the old man. Two. Do not lose that piece. That piece rolls. Stop rolling. What's up? What's up? How is everybody? Three. And another one. Oh, I know what these are. These are buttons. These are supposed to be buttons. 4. Boom. We have buttons. Cool. Now what do I need? I need gray holy piece and a blue solid piece. So don't fall. Stop trying to run away. Stay over there. Trying to run away. Trying to run. Trying to escape! Help. Ah! Wow. And I need another one of these. They don't... Does this make... Okay, yeah, they do go up front. I was like, I guess they go up front. No, they do go up front. And then I need the holy piece. Does it matter? No, it's a solid. It's a hole all the way through. That's fine. Cool. Alright, so what do I need next? I need a 2-pack square to go here. Right. And here. And we're still building. What's up? What's up? Here. What's up? What's up? And I did that right? I hope so. I didn't check. I didn't check to make sure this thing grab a non-solid one. Here. Then it says I need a flat square to go here. And now I need the little hooky pieces. Stop trying to run away. These little rolling pieces want to run away. Here. And I need another one. I need another one. Where's that? There you are. Okay, cool. What's up, I am? How are you? Base of the Lego is built. Well, this is Brickcraft, but base is built. And there goes my instruction. I have no idea what I'm doing. I mean, I do know what I'm doing, but apparently I suck at this. No, I'm just kidding. So I need green, this long green piece, apparently. And this goes in the back to connect all of these together. Connect. There we go. Need 2 of these small green pieces to connect these together. Thank you, IMP, appreciate it. And then I need this flat gray piece. Let's do this. Boom. We have progress. It doesn't look like much. Alright, now I need more solid pieces, tall pieces. So we'll do this again. This, nope, I need this. Yep, I need this here. I need this here. Hold all that together. I need this in the back. Pop. You go in the back? Yep, you go in the back. You in the back corner, and the flat one in the back corner. We're still building. Boom, we got progress. We got progress. I like progress. All right, I need one of these, and one of these, and one of these. Some more of these, apparently. It goes apparently here, here, fit in the hole, get in the hole. What else do I need? And then I need, what do I need? All these? I guess so. These little lantern type pieces, what I like to call them. I like to call these little pieces like these, like the lantern type pieces, because they remind me of lantern. Like, they remind me when I used to like build Legos as a child, that they were always a lantern. We got this. And here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Alright. Now it says turn around. Look at the back. It says look at the back. So there's the front. Got the front. Accomplished slowly. Making accomplishments. We're getting there. Kind of fun. Okay, on the back it says I need 2 of these 4 pieces. Give me the 4 pieces. Side by side. I need another lantern piece, apparently. Do I have another lantern piece? Am I missing a lantern piece? Nope. It's over here was the big pieces. Another lantern piece. And a solo square. Boom. So the back looks like that. Alright, on the front, we need a 2-pack hole, a 2-pack hole, a single hole, and another single hole. Let me make sure I put these onto it correctly, because I will mess that up. It looks like that. Cool. And that is the first 9 steps. That's where you're at. 9 steps. That's where we're at. Making progress. Alright. More stuff. So now, step 10. I need a big green piece, which we're working on. What's up, Patty? How you doing? That goes right up top to kind of keep them all together. Boom. Now I need 2 flat blue pieces in the corner. Up front corners, front corners. Boom. 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 That's where we're at. Okay, now I need some weird pieces. Okay, so first, let me do these first. These will be the easy ones. So I can do that. That. We got the top on. Top like that. And then we do... How do these go on? These are the ones I don't know. So it looks like it kind of just like sits on top of the blue one. Like that. That's an interesting piece. An interesting cut. So it kind of looks like this. So we kind of have this going on right now. Alright, so I guess now we're building the handle. So it tells me I need this, this, 4 of these, and 2 of these, 3 of these. Oh, there's the other one. So what it says to do is pop these in like so. Boom. Boom. We're building, making progress. Boom. And boom. And another one of those. Boom. And it says these curves should be upward. Does it matter? Are these the same on both sides? We have a little boombox. Boom. Got a handle. Got a handle going on and everything. Alright. That is where we're at. Alright, now it says I need other pieces. So in the holes, I need small black circles. It says this should go in like that, but it doesn't go in well. Oh, they do go in. It just wasn't pushing tight enough. I was like, yeah, they don't go in. Yeah, they do. And then the silver ones, I assume, is what the gray ones are in the picture. The gray ones are silver. And then it says I need my grills. I need my grills. And then it says I need my speaker bases, which are on the bottom. And then it says I need the silvers in the speaker base. I'm just curious, who thought of this? This is so much fun. Ah, we have a speaker. We have a boombox. How awesome! Now it says I need an antenna, which means I need this, this, and this. So it says this goes in here. And this goes in here. Really? Did I say you want to do that? And then it says this should pop on the back and be at an angle. Ha! Cool. Fine. Evident, Emma. That's fine. Alright. Now we have to build the floppy cassette holder. We don't want our cassette to fall out. We need to build the floppy cassette holder. So let's build a floppy cassette holder. Okay, so I need these two pieces with hinges. Don't fall away. These two pieces with hinges. I need... What else do I need? These angle pieces. And what else do I need? This little piece right here. This little black piece right here. Boom. Okay. It's telling me that this, so this, these should line up, what you're telling me. Oh, no. My bad. I am stupid. I'll show you when I get it, because I can't really hold it when I'm building it. But you have to lay it on a table. And you have to build it. And then as you're building it, you connect it together. So it might be easier just to connect that. And then once you figure out how these pieces go, it might be easier just to build them in sections. And then connect the pieces together. So now I have the two sections, and then I can put the last piece of plastic in the middle that connects the two sections, so it looks like this. And then it is saying it should pop on here like this. Boom! Haha! We have a boombox with a moving door. This is cool. This is fun. All right. All right. So that's fun. That's definitely fun. All right. Let's build the cassette now. Now for the cassette, I need the pink piece with these pink blocks. Building the cassette. Boom. And then I need a white piece in the middle to hold them together. I need the pink pieces on the sides to kind of give the entire cassette fill. I have like marks on my hand from these. I need the solid pink piece up top. I need two of these in here. Boom. Boom. We have a little cassette. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I'm having fun. We have a little cassette. Now, the last step is these stickers. And this is probably why I'm going to screw it all up, because it's what I do best. So keep my little extra pieces together. First one I'm worried about is the sticker, is the little mixtape sticker. This is going to be a pain in my butt to do, but I'm going to try to do it without fucking it up too bad. Guarantee I'm going to mess it up. Okay, so you need to be like right... Oh, I think I did pretty good. It says MTV mixtape. I think I did pretty good. I got that pretty centered. I'm pretty happy with that. All right, and then on this piece, this one didn't take as long to build. This one took a half hour to build. It's this goes right on here. Don't fuck that up. I don't think I did. Whatever. I give up. I got excess hanging on the top and the bottom now. Ah! I think what's killing me is the stickers are too big for the piece. This is perfect as it's getting. I can't get any more perfect than that. It's a little crooked, but it will do. Whatever. It's a sticker. It's not gold. But there we go. We have an MTV Boombox. Yeah, I know. I struggle with that. And then apparently I can stick this in here and close it up. And look. Boom. We have an MTV mixtape inside. How awesome is that? So Brickcraft, again, thank you for the gifts. These are awesome. I love these. This is great. So we have the Boombox with the little cassette tape, which I think is awesome. And we have the cassette tape right here. I love these things. These are great. I 100% would have just bought these, but you guys sent them to me, and I appreciate it. So anyway, that's the building of the last one that we're doing today. I appreciate anyone that came in and said hi, hung out with me for like half hour or so. This was fun. This was fun. So make sure you go check out Brickcraft. They didn't sponsor me. They just sent them to me, but check them out.